Today we're doing Barbie Beach Day, so let's get into it. Okay, Chelsea, you ready for the beach day? Yes, Mom, ready. So let's go. Oh. Okay, Chelsea, we're almost there. Okay, we're here, Chelsea. What? We're here? Yeah, we're here. Hooray! Hooray! Chelsea, get the bags. Wait, Mom. Mom, do we really need the towels? Yes. We don't want bugs on us later on. But I like the feeling of the grass. Well, too bad. We need to have the towels. Okay, here's your dress. Here's your towel. Wait, why is it all ripped up? Oh, probably Leela ripped it up. Leela, really, the dog? Yeah. Oh, that wee pesky dog. Okay, let me put the towels down. My towel. And your towel. Finally. Mom, I'm going into the sea now. Okay, let me watch you. 1, 2. Woo! That was fun. Look how far I jumped, Mom. That's nice. I want to take all of the grass out. You can't take all of it out. It's a sea. Well, I want to take most of it out. I hate grass in water. Mom, come swim with me. No, I want to get my... No, Chelsea, I want to get my tan up. Aw, please, Mom. No, Chelsea. You know you tan more in the grass. I mean, in the water. No, you don't, Chelsea. You do, really. Not for now, but I will. Whoa, waves incoming, whoa! Mom, look how far I am. Whoa, you're so far. I wish we brought the floaties. Yeah, I wish so too. I'm gonna get out and dry up. Chelsea, you got water all over me. Sorry, Mom. Okay, I'll go in the pool, but I need to take my shorts off because I have a swimming suit under. Mom, really? You didn't have to do that. Yeah, I did. Oh, you're so annoying sometimes. Chelsea. Flashlight! What? My hair. Wait, what? Why is it raining? It's summer. Maybe that was just the kids water fighting. Hey kid, can you please stop? Yeah, I could stop. What? Flashlight! Mom, the water went all over the place. Now our towels will be soaking wet. It's fine. The water's warm anyway. That's true. Mom, stop it. The water will run out from the sea. Mom, you made it splash so hard there's grass now. Let's take it out. Wait, Mom, did I lose a tooth? Let me see. Oh my gosh, you did lose a tooth. Oh my gosh, where's your tooth? I have no clue. Did this turn into a summer catastrophe. Let's see. I can't find it. I guess there's no money from the Tooth Fairy today. That's no money from the Tooth Fairy today. But anyway, flashlight! Elsie, look at this. Mom, you made the water go everywhere. I want to drive. Yours went even farther than mine, even though your hair is shorter. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. See who could hold their breath the longest. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Chelsea, you win! Yay! That was really long. I think mine was like a minute. Yours was like 20 seconds. Or longer. Whoa, wait! Whoa, whoa, whoa! We should have brought our surfboards. Yeah, we should have. Whoa, Mom, what are you doing? That was fun! Again! Okay, I'll go even higher this time though. Ow, Mom, you hurt me. Sorry. Mom, where did the beach go? Chelsea, where did the beach go? Mom, you made the beach disappear. You threw me so high. There's like 20 gallons of water. Chelsea, there's only 200. What? Okay, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, and smash that subscribe button to see the end of beach disasters.